Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Listen, this is the favorite season in my gardening experience, like every year, because from spring I have to start planting, and by the time it gets to this month, this is June and getting into summer, listen, this is always my favorite season because you know what, I'm gonna be harvesting like every blessed day till fall. So I just wanted to take you guys out here to do some harvesting, like every blessed day, almost every blessed day. I'm gonna be harvesting from now till fall comes. So I'm out here harvesting these cucumbers. This is a different species of cucumbers. You can see that it's not very green, but this is just another species of cucumbers. I'm gonna be enjoying this with some cashew nuts. So guys, you can join me with some cashew. I want you to start growing your own garden, and I promise you, you're not going to regret it. It is the best investment you can ever do for yourself. So you see behind me, everything is green, beautiful. See that? Yep. Okay. This is my favorite spot in my house, my garden. I hope you grow your own food, and if you like my videos, if you enjoy my videos, please give me a thumbs up, share to encourage some other person, and do not forget to hit that red subscribe button below. Yes, it's free, so that every time I post a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.